Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Shahi Tukda in an easy way and no compromise in taste. It tastes too delicious that you cannot resist yourself from having more. Shahi Tukda is a dessert made with bread and simmered milk along with nuts and lovely saffron. So let's get to see how it's prepared. The first step is to prepare the rabri. You need to boil half liter of milk. Once it starts to boil, simmer to low flame and keep stirring it. In the meanwhile, we need to prepare some sugar syrup. So add half cup of water to a saucepan and add half cup of sugar to it. Give it a nice stir and let that boil for 2 minutes. Now after 2 to 3 minutes, your sugar syrup is done. Now back to the milk, add some chopped almonds and pistas. Give it a stir. Next, add a pinch of saffron to a tablespoon of hot milk and add it to the rabri. Next, add a quarter cup of condensed milk or sugar. And give it a gentle mix. Scrape the malai or the cream on the sides of the pan and mix it well. Now we need to add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour along with 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix them well and add it to the milk. You can even add khoya to the rabri. Keep mixing the rabri continuously. And finally add an half teaspoon of cardamom powder. The rabri is ready. It will thicken a little bit after it cools down. Now keep it aside. The third step is to fry some bread slices. So here I have taken 7 to 8 slices of bread. Take 2 to 3 slices at a time and just cut the sides of the bread. Don't throw them away, you can use them as breadcrumbs. Now cut the slices to triangular shape and keep them aside. Similarly, cut all the bread slices to the required shape. Now heat a pan and add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and fry 2 to 3 bread slices at a time. Fry them to golden color on both the sides. Once all the bread slices are fried, let's move to the last step. Take each slice of the bread and dip it in the sugar syrup by turning both the sides for 10 seconds and arrange them in the serving bowl like this. Now pour the rabri on top of the bread slices and garnish it with some dry nuts. There you go. You see how delicious and yummy it is. It's best when served chill. It's a quick recipe and you will definitely love it. Do give a try to this recipe. Until then, see you all in another interesting video. Thank you for watching.